welcome back to another video with the Coast. Today's video is going to be very simple. I always say videos are simple and then y'all be like, that was not simple. But today's video is going to be a simple wash and go. Not really a wash and go. Let me take it back. It's not a wash and go. Today's video is going to be about this new brand that I've tried out. It's actually not new. It's been around for a while. I've had several friends, not several, just one friend. She's been harassing me like about 3 years ago to use this product and use this brand. And I never got on board. I always said, yeah, I'm gonna do it. But you know, when you brand loyal, you brand loyal. But I decided to, you know what, let me try some black owned brands. Let me see what's up. Let me see what's popping. And I realized this brand has been a brand that my friend has been trying to push me towards for a long time. And it is black owned. It's the brand Taliah Waajid, and let me tell y'all something. Okay, that's all I gotta say. That brand, you see this right here? That's Taliah Waajid. Okay. Okay. Anyways, y'all want to see how I got this look? Y'all keep watching, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay guys, so what I did here in the beginning, I'm going to do a real quick explanation as to what I'm doing here. I did section off my hair into parts, different parts before I started washing. And then what I do here is I do condition my hair before I shampoo, condition it, and then I comb it out. And then I shampoo, then I condition again. That's only because a lot of the times I do wait a long time before washing my hair, and my hair is a little dry. So before I wet it and put all this other stuff in it, I like to condition it and get my comb through it, make sure that I'm not, you know, ripping out my hair in the process of washing it as well. There was a lot of confusion from my other video. Just wanted to clear that up, why I do it that way. Okay. And then as I mentioned, I hadn't washed my hair in a long time. And so what you see here is me trying to get my scalp as clean as possible. And it's not that the product wasn't working. It's simply the fact that my hair hadn't been washed in so long and it was dirty. Okay, just keep it real. It was dirty. My scalp was a mess, and so I actually ended up washing my hair, like, well, shampooing 3 times. And so yeah, that's what you're seeing here. The rest of the video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna be quiet and let you guys enjoy this video. If you're black or white.
What we do here is go back.
And that's it. That is how I achieved this look. I know you guys may have some questions. Leave the questions down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys know any other black-owned brands that you want me to try out for you, please also leave that in the comments down below, because this is the season. I am going to be trying black-owned brands, and I am going to be supporting like it's nobody's business, okay? But anyways, yeah. Tell me how y'all like the hairstyle. I switched it up for y'all so y'all can see a little bit. You know what I mean? First I had the part on that side, switched it up, gave y'all a middle part, you feel me? Next time I'm gonna swoop it up to the side and let y'all, let me do it right now so y'all can see. Hold on. Easy as 1, 2, 3, okay? Just swoop it up to the side, boom, do a little fluff work, you know what I mean? There'll be some stubborn pieces that don't be wanting to listen, but that's okay. So that is as simple as it could be. Wash, leave-in conditioner, and curl defining cream from Taliah Waajid, Magnifique. And it smells amazing. The smell's not too strong. It's nice and soft. I have bad allergies, as you guys know, and this product is really good. I'm not smelling it everywhere I walk. It's not crazy. The smell's in like giving me like teary eyes. I'm not smelling like, what's that smell? What's it every second of the day? No, but there is a nice soft apple aloe smell to it. It's amazing. So the way I purchased it, it was a kit. So I purchased the leave-in conditioner, shampoo, and curl defining cream, and that came in one, which was very convenient for me because I never know what to buy usually when I'm purchasing these products. I know what to buy, but I'd be like, let me try this one thing. But because it came in a kit already, I was like, you know what? Might as well just try it all together. So it was very convenient for me not having to look through the page and say, hey, let me try this, let me try that, let me try that. So it came on time. The tracking was on point. It said it was gonna come on this date, on a date, and it came on the date. I was so excited about it, like geeked excited. And so far so good. It hasn't let me down. I've used it, my husband's used it, my son's used it. We're probably gonna have to get some more soon because it's gonna be done in no time. This trial has probably turned me into a loyal customer. I'm a very brand loyal person, so it's hard to take me away from the brands that I love. Taliah Waajid, you have got a new customer. I'm obsessed. This thing did something to my hair, and it's nice and soft, it feels good, it flows, and the shampoo got my hair nice and clean. I really enjoyed the experience of using this. I will say the only thing that I did not like about the product, and I'm sorry, not even the product, it's the packaging itself. The leave-in conditioner, the spray top, was a little hard to handle because of the fact that I'm oiling my scalp, I'm doing whatever, and my hands become a little slippery when it comes to spraying that bottle. And the bottle top is a little small to be spraying, and that's the only thing I would say. But other than that, it's on point. Like, it was cool that I could spray like this, but it was actually hard doing it like that. So I ended up having to spray into my hand and then just apply it to my hair, which was not a big deal because I use leave-in conditioner like that anyways. Let me know what you guys thought of this, my hair, and how you like it, and let me know if you guys want me to try anything else. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and share this video, okay? See you guys next time. Here at the coast. That I also really liked about my order purchase. It's nice and soft, it feels good, it flows.
It stinks, baby. My fault.